Hello, my name is Vladislav, and today I'll tell you how vending machines are produced here at Third Tab, and show you the whole production cycle. It all starts with a sheet of stainless steel. Steel is cut into future parts with a high accuracy industrial grade laser. Next step is a sheet folding machine, where future parts take their shape. After that, parts reach the metalworking stage. Here they are welded in and polished with special equipment. Now parts need to be painted inside the painting chamber, but before that every part needs to go for treatment. Parts have been painted with powder paint and put in the industrial furnace at 200 degrees Celsius. Heat treatment gives the paint durability and ensures many years of use without defects. Final two steps are assembly and testing. All the parts are put together and every machine is tested at our facility before it will be sent to the client. Every machine has a unique serial number and is labeled by our quality expert. That's it, the vending machine is ready. Here at Third Tab, we are a team of like-minded people. We produce quality equipment that stands the test of time.